Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a membership app using Mighty Networks, full guide step by step clearly. To create a membership app using Mighty Networks, begin by navigating to the Mighty Networks website. Sign up for a new account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, select the option to create a new Mighty Network. Choose a name for your Mighty Network that reflects your membership community. Next, set up a description that clearly outlines what your network offers to potential members. You will also select your network's visual theme. Customize colors and fonts to align with your brand. After choosing the visual settings, proceed to the payment options. Select a pricing model for your membership, whether it's free, one-time payment, or recurring subscriptions. Configure your payment details by linking your bank account or payment processor. Once your membership options are set, go to the content section. Here, you can create posts, articles, or resources for your members. Consider setting up different membership tiers, each with unique benefits. Utilize the events feature to host live sessions or workshops for your community. In the community section, set guidelines to foster positive interactions among members. Explore the resources area to upload files or helpful links for your members. Use the Insights feature to track member engagement and growth over time. Once you feel satisfied with the setup, it's time to launch your network. Communicate with your audience about the launch and what to expect. Encourage initial members to engage and provide feedback on their experience. Continuously update your content to keep members engaged and coming back. Monitor and adjust your membership offerings based on feedback and analytics. Stay active within your Mighty Network to foster community and support. By following these steps, you can successfully activate a membership app using Mighty Networks and build a thriving community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for